So guys, this is the pepper sauce I made yesterday for chicken. This is the remaining one. So I will be adding this pepper. They're very yummy. Eh? We use I eat fish, and the remaining one I want add this soup to it. This is okra soup. So I put it for freezer before. There's a freezer before, so I bring it out. We are using it to eat today. Yeah, my kids. So I add it to eat. But I want to use a pot to warm this okra soup. I say you're fresh before you're like, but I don't want to use microwave. So I will load the heat of the gas. It never made finish. It's still blocked. I will load the heat of the gas so that it will be made small. So make it. Butter is made. This is how we make dinner. This is what we are eating to sleep today. To swallow. Cook it for like 2 to 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes. I like to cook. Our okra soup. This is pepper because my pepper is so bad. So this okra soup fine. And this okra soup don't straight to whistle. Don't pass to whistle. Don't pass to whistle. I leave it for freezer. That's it fresh. It just remain. I just keep it for freezer. I'm going to leave this one. Don't pass to it. All of the for the pot. And the soup is ready to eat.